Hi everyone, good afternoon. I'm making today some chicken leg and chicken wings. The spices will be one a small spoon of coriander, paprika, salt, and ginger. So I'm going to grab small spoon just to show you guys the small size, what size I use for spices, and add black pepper too. And half lemon. So I'm gonna pour little black pepper, just little. I'm gonna pour now little, and after I'm add little more after spices. And this is all white flour. I'm sure you just like 1 cup of white flour. So these spices, I'm going pour half and chicken and half and flour. So I'm going to add little black pepper and flour. I'm gonna add little too and chicken. Now I'm going to mix all these spices with the flour. Oops, I made some mess. Sorry. I'm so sorry. This is how it is, how I learn. I make some mess here. So anyway, this is lemon, half of lemon. We squeeze half a lemon top of chicken. And we're going to mix all this together. All the spices with chicken. And I pull the skin, like cover all the legs with the skin. That way the hidden bone. So just legs and wings, because my kids love legs and wings. So now everything good, it's all mixed now with the spices. Now I'm going to wash my hands. So that's the flour. I'm going to put all like 4 or 5 chicken legs inside the bag. Now I'm going to mix everything together with chicken, flour with chicken. Now I'm going to pour everything in this plastic, like sieve all the flour from chicken. That way, if we fry chicken, it didn't burn the oil. My oil already now hot. I'm going to put this chicken and take this chicken and put it in the oil. So now time to fry. So I put it like about 350 and about half hour till 45 minutes, half hour 45 minutes. And now in the meantime I'm gonna make some salad to go with our chicken tonight. So that will be salad and some green pepper, some tomato, onion, lemon, and cucumber, and peas. I'm going to cut salad first. I share with you guys all our dinner or our lunch or breakfast every day, something for for the food. Sorry. And and same time I'm cooking some little white rice to go with this fried chicken and salad. Just regular rice. I cook it with little salt, black pepper, and water. So like everybody know how to cook the white rice. It's not hard. Now I'm going to cut the cucumber. Green pepper, been roasted. And peas already been cooked in the water. Tomato. We cut a half onion, little small. Same time my chicken already frying. So one garlic. A relish. Cut it a little small. Just one. I'm cutting just one and I keep two, like just for presentation. And this is the lemon I squeezed to show you the lemon. I squeezed one lemon. And 1 spoon mayo. add lemon, add black pepper, add salt, olive oil, mix all this together. Now I'm going to add my sauce top of the salad. So now we're going to mix all this all together with the sauce. It looks so beautiful, the color. A lot of good stuff in salad, very healthy. My chicken already, I'm going after this, I'm going to remove the chicken from the fryer. Now I'm going to take the chicken. So thank you guys for watching me. This is my chicken and my white rice and salad. Thank you again for watching my video, and like and subscribe for more. Thank you.